Welcome to Cultiva, the creators behind micro-humidification technology. But what is micro-wetting? Pay attention and I'll tell you. Our automatic irrigation systems save up to 73% of water since it keeps the crop maintained at field capacity levels. That is, it always keeps the soil moist, and this allows the crop to develop more turgidly since it does not suffer from water stress. It does not need soil saturation. It does not compact the earth and allows for natural soil oxygenation. That's why we are 100 times better than drippers or sprinklers. And how do we use gravity for propulsion? It doesn't need electricity, water pumps, or batteries. And what are micro-wetters like? Within all models, there is an exclusive pressure controller that together with the top cap allows water to pass to the fiber so that it begins to moisten the root directly. We can say that we are the only irrigation system that has total control of water in any substrate or surface. And there are 4 models. The MH14, generally used in nurseries for plant lines. The MH28 for vegetable gardens. The MH44 for all types of fruit crops. And the 50 MH dose is recommended for all kinds of fruit crops that are more than 4 years old. If you have any questions, consult us on our website, www.riegocultiva.com. If your drippers get clogged and you spend a lot of money on unclogging and maintenance staff, and your electricity bill keeps growing, and you need a truly substantial change, you know Cultiva. Automated irrigation. Truly sustainable.